Alright, check it out, guys. So I got a little package in the mail today. I'll show you what it is here. That's it right there. It's supposed to be a hot pack. Check it out, man. I don't know how they could tell. Trying to look and all that, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't really look too hard, but let's check it out and see. Anyways, just cut to the chase. Bonehead Fred. Fishy Phyllis. Christmas. Claude Fresh. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I didn't pay too much for this. I think I got it for like, I want to say it was like $9.80, something like that. So pretty cool. I was pretty stoked. I seen them going for like $60. So you know, maybe they know what the good stuff and what the really good stuff is. But let's see here. Seymour. Let's see here. 26A Ultraviolet. It's kind of messing them up as I pick through. But, check out what I see. Green always comes first, right? Green nobody. What do we got? Oh, I see it. I see it right here. It looks like Gold Fever. And we got ourselves Gold Hygiene. Not too bad, not too bad.